Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Red Hat and Canonical dominate the Linux desktop world with two of the most popular distributions, Fedora and Ubuntu. Both release their stable versions around the same time every year, aiming to win the favor of a broad community of users. In this comparison, we'll look at how these two major companies position themselves and what they represent for the Linux ecosystem. Ubuntu follows a governance model known as a benevolent dictatorship, where a central figure plays a key role in decision-making, mediating between developers and the community. Fedora, on the other hand, is managed by a foundation that strikes a balance between Red Hat and the community. Although Fedora is semi-independent, Red Hat's influence is limited to the presence of a single member on the governing board. In terms of transparency, Fedora holds the advantage. Its decision-making process is clear and open, as is its governance structure, although there are a few gaps. Ubuntu, by contrast, provides less clear information, particularly regarding financial data. Looking at the latest releases, it's evident that these distributions are polar opposites. Fedora uses RPM packages and promotes the adoption of Flatpak, a technology that allows for more universal, sandbox software distribution. On the other hand, Ubuntu, based on Debian, continues to rely on deb packages, although Canonical is pushing for widespread adoption of Snap, distributed through a proprietary and centralized store. RPM and deb are two of the most widely used package formats, but Ubuntu is trying to distance itself from deb in favor of Snap, a move that has sparked criticism for its centralization and commercial control. Fedora 41 solidifies its position at the forefront of the Linux landscape, incorporating cutting-edge technologies for both desktop and server environments. Red Hat uses Fedora as a testing ground for new solutions, which may eventually be integrated into its enterprise ecosystem. Key updates in this release include GNOME 45, offering significant improvements in performance, interface, and application integration. Wayland, further refined as the default display server with improved hardware compatibility and better support for advanced graphical applications. Linux kernel 6.5, featuring enhanced security, hardware support, and energy management. Major improvements for containers and virtualization, making Fedora 41 ideal for developers and sysadmins who need modular and secure environments to test server solutions. Flatpak continues to be a central technology, offering a secure, decentralized approach to software distribution. Ubuntu Oriole continues Canonical's path toward an increasingly centralized and controlled user experience. Some of the main features include GNOME 45, with customizations aimed at making the user experience more accessible. Deep integration of Snap, with Canonical pushing for the adoption of this package system distributed via its proprietary store. This approach contrasts with Fedora's decentralized philosophy, which promotes Flatpak. Linux kernel 6.5, with optimizations to enhance the user experience and ensure broader hardware compatibility. Improvements in cloud integration, making Ubuntu an attractive option for server and cloud environments. A strong focus on accessibility, aiming to simplify the experience for less experienced users or those new to the Linux world. Fedora 41 is an innovative and advanced platform, perfect for those looking to explore new technologies while maintaining transparency and community control. It appeals to developers and IT professionals who want to leverage cutting-edge technologies, focusing on modularity and independence. Ubuntu Oriole instead focuses on accessibility and a more streamlined user experience, with a centralized approach that heavily integrates Snap. Canonical continues to develop its business model around the proprietary store, offering a ready-to-use solution for less experienced users. These two releases embody different philosophies about how open-source software should evolve. Fedora promotes decentralization and transparency, while Ubuntu moves toward a more controlled and centralized model. Fedora seems to have an edge. It has polarized the community less with its decisions, and the availability of fresh technologies has made it a genuinely cutting-edge and intriguing distribution, without sacrificing stability or ease of use. Thanks for watching.